Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about consonant sounds. Okay, without wasting time, let's get straight to it. Here I will give you some examples. First, p, p, pie. I have two pies. P, p, pad. Pad is soft. So, from the previous two examples, it belongs to a bilabial consonant because when you pronounce it, you constrict the flow of air out of the mouth by bringing the lips together, and the manner of articulation is plosive. And then the second example is tell. I want to tell you about something. The daughter. My mother has 3 daughters. The place of articulation is the alveolar because when you pronounce it, you lift your tongue against the alveolar ridge to constrict airflow. And the manners of articulation is plosive. And then the third example is kind. You are so very kind. And then good. That's good idea. The two examples above include velar, plosive. And then the fourth example, fat. I will feel fatter. Live. I live in Boyolali. The two examples above include labiodental fricative. And the 5 examples, thick. I have 2 chicken thicks. This is your book. Above includes dental fricative. And then the 6th example, sad. My friend is sad because he broke up his girlfriend. Zoo. Tomorrow, my family and I go to the zoo. Above includes alveolar fricative. And the 7th example, she is my sister. Treasure. I found a treasure in the forest. Above includes palato-alveolar fricative. And then the 8th example, hot. It's a very hot day. Is an example, glottal fricative. And the 9th, market. My sister and I went to the market yesterday. Is an example, bilabial nasal. 10th, not. I do not like you. Is an example, alveolar nasal. The 11th, sing. I want to enter the singing contest tomorrow. Is an example, velar nasal. 12, let. I let my cat go. Is an example, alveolar lateral. And the 13th, read. I like reading books every day. Is an example, palato-alveolar approximant. And the 14th example, yet. I haven't done any work yet. Is an example, palatal approximant. And the last example is wash. I wash clothes twice a week. Is an example, velar approximant. Okay, I think that's enough for today's discussion about consonant sounds. Thanks for your time and your attention. See you next time. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.